Hello everyone, I'm Joshua from JJKV92. I just got a brand new RC car in the mail off of Amazon yesterday. I'll be making a YouTube video for you guys with it. But this is the RC car, it goes like really fast when it's fully charged. I don't think it's fully charged right now, but the Hill Boxing RC car off of Amazon. Excellent. As you guys can see, I have the LED lights on it if you want to race in the dark. Currently it's dark here at Indiana time. Some places it might still be light out, but I have headlights if you want to run it in the dark. As you guys can hopefully see. Also does some full jumps and like that'll make it good U-turn just before the slip. See? And it's all terrain. Like the other day, like earlier today, I brought it out in like this plain grass area, and it was like bouncing everywhere. Yeah. I'll probably try to get a ramp and do some tricks with it. And maybe try to show you guys a flip or two or something. Well, this car has taken a beating in the last 2 days. Like flipped a few times. Hopefully hit the basketball goal. And yeah. It has a slow and a fast mode. Right now it's in normal, which is the fast mode. It was $86 off of Amazon. Usually it's $106. Now it's $86. So if you guys want a brand new RC car, this is an excellent one. And it also comes with decals if you want to customize it. Battery time is a pretty long period of time. It takes about 2 hours for the battery to charge, which I prefer if it charged faster, but as you guys can see, I'm doing zigzags with it. And it doesn't come with like a regular remote, it comes with this remote. With this one, the steering wheel, this controls throttle. Then you double push it forward to go in reverse, throttle. And yeah. But this is an excellent toy. Super fast. Like, just for a demonstration, I'll show you guys. Let me find kind of a good spot. Trying to find it. You know, I'll just hold it. Let me just set it up for you guys. You might need to rotate your screens a little because I'm switching the view. As you see, it's currently in reverse. Gonna go full throttle and come over there. And now hopefully you guys can see. I gotta tell you, it's going fairly quickly. I just went around my Draco J366 mailbox. Still under the RAV4. As you guys can see, I can run through grass and all that. And I'm turning it back right here. And hopefully I'll try to get you guys a flip in. I will not be attempting to break this thing. It's brand new and Last RC car broke. As you guys can see, it just got some big air right there. My last RC car broke. It was like me and Drake were playing together, and all of a sudden the rear tires wouldn't work on it. Also, this is intended for 14-year-olds and older. It's really fast. There are a lot of small parts that keep this thing out of reach from younger children. And yeah, it is electric powered, so you don't have to worry about gasoline or anything. And there's a flip. All you have to do is just take a USB charger, put it in a countertop or something, put it like wherever there's an outlet, and yeah. I'm gonna be turning it off right here. So I'm done. But yeah. Have a great day. Have a great night, everyone. I'm Joshua from Jersey Kevin on YouTube. Please like and subscribe, and bye.